taking a look at Nvidia stock here, and let's go ahead and take a look at Nvidia on unusual whales as well. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down, just see if we have any price targets here. Price targets are all from February 27th for our latest ones. Most of them ranging between 160 to about 220. We do have our latest one as well from the same date, D.A. Davidson with 135 and a hold recommendation. If I go onto the Webull chart here, I'm going to share with you the potential upside and also downside for Nvidia stock. And again, overall market today had a bounce, and so we're up about 5%. That's what I'm trying to say. I think dollar cost averaging is key here in Nvidia, especially if you are long term. And in my opinion, the best time to be taking advantage of this is below 117. Price between 117 and $96 is going to be a really good dip opportunity for Nvidia stock here. And if you're expecting to see more downside move, really the most downside I see is going to be $96. If you think 104 is the bottom, 104 here is only going to be about a 9% drop. And then the $96 here, I think, is the bottom for Nvidia. That's just my opinion. And again, that's about a 16% drop. So I'll just put that there as a worst case scenario, or you can also view that as the best case scenario if you want a lower entry or lower add-on point. Now let's go ahead and scroll out a bit. Where do I see upside for Nvidia stock? I mentioned this in all our previous Nvidia videos. I do think we're going to get that all-time high test during 2025, and so that's why I've been personally dollar cost averaging on the way down. But if you're looking for a minimal test, right, I do think we get that test between the 50 and 100 EMA on the daily chart. That's right around a 10 to 12%, 10 to 13% move towards the upside, and that should be occurring, in my opinion, during the next few weeks here. Long term, right, I do think we get that major resistance test of 142 as well. That's going to be about a 23-24% move upside from where we're at currently. The all-time high at 153, I think, is going to be tested as well during 2025, and that's a 34% move from where we're at currently. I do believe that 180 will be tested. I'm just not sure if it's going to be tested within 2025. 180 here, if we do break above 153, that's going to be a move of about 57 to 58% upside. So that's why I'm personally, look at the risk and reward here. That's why I'm personally dollar cost averaging while it's below 117. I personally don't think we break below the 100 EMA on the weekly chart, and that's why I believe the $96 here is going to be a major support. What I would keep an eye out for during this week and the next few weeks for March is if we can break above 117. Breaking above 117 and remaining above that as well will lead me to believe we will stair step back up to 142 resistance, followed by that all-time high test of 153. So here's how I think it's going to play out, right? You either have potential move sideways, possibly even a smaller pullback, but I think this is it. I think the bottom is in here for Nvidia, in my opinion. I think we're going to get a break above 117. We'll find out that 117 is going to be a support level to keep an eye out for, followed by a test towards 142. I think that test towards 142 is going to happen a lot quicker than people are expecting. Once we break above 142, that's when I think we should get a move almost straight up to 153. And 153 there, we should be able to make a new all-time high. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are for Nvidia down below. This is just my opinion, so take that with a grain of salt. Link down below in the description for our free-to-join Discord link. 32,000 members there. Share due diligence, ask questions on Nvidia. And if you are looking for our live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon. We have 20 analysts sharing price targets, entries and exits on stocks and options. And so it's only like $10 per month if you do want to check it out. Link down below in the description, all right? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.